Hello my dear student, how are you? I hope all of you are happy and healthy. So dear student, as you can see, we are studying direct and indirect speech. In the previous videos, we have learnt how to change the pronoun and how to change the tense of the reported speech. And we also learned how to change the word of adverb and place. Okay. So now in this video I am going to tell you some important fact related to tense. Okay. So dear, as we know that when we change a direct speech into indirect speech, then we see that the tense of the reported speech changes. But dear student, we have some specific cases. We have some specific cases in which the tense of the reported speech does not change. Okay. So without wasting our time, let's see what are the cases in which the tense of the reported speech does not change. Okay dear, so let's see. Okay dear, so I have mentioned here in the following cases the tense of reporting here should be reported. The tense of the reported speech does not change. Okay, so let's see what are the cases. So case first, okay, I have mentioned here when reported speech shows universal fact or scientific fact. Is that clear? Okay dear, when reported speech shows universal fact or scientific fact, in that case the tense of the reported speech does not change. Okay. Okay, let's understand it with the help of example. I have mentioned here two example. Example number first, the teacher said, comma, inverted comma, the earth moves round the sun. Now dear, this part is known as reporting verb, you know very well, and this part is known as reported speech, you know very well. Okay dear, now see the sentence of reported speech, the earth moves round the sun. Okay, this is a scientific fact, this is a scientific fact or universal fact. Okay. So that is why when you change this sentence into indirect speech, the tense of the reported speech will not change. Okay dear. So all the sentences that show universal fact or scientific fact, okay, their tense will not change. Okay. So let's see how to change. Okay, very first we write the subject, the teacher said. Okay dear, and at the place of inverted comma we use conjunction that, and after that the earth. Now see, moves, this is the present indefinite tense, simple present tense, and we know simple present tense change into past indefinite tense. Okay, but here due to universal fact, okay, we does not change the tense of this sentence. So we will write here moves as it, okay, round the sun. Okay dear. Okay, now see the second example. she said to me, the sun rises in the east. So dear, the sun rises in the east, this is also a universal fact. Okay, so you know, when reported speech belong to universal fact or scientific fact, the tense of the reported speech will not change. Okay, now see, now see, I have told you said to will change into told. Okay, she told me. At the place of inverted comma, we use conjunction that. Now see, the sun rises in the east. Okay, okay, so I hope you have got case 1 very well. Okay, now see case 2. What is the case 2? When reported speech shows historical fact. What so? Historical fact and prove. Okay dear, if the sentence is historical fact or any prove, in that case we do not change the tense of the reported speech. Okay dear, now see the example. The teacher said, India got freedom on 15 August 1947. So dear, India got freedom on 15 August 1947. This is a historical fact. This is historical fact. Okay, so that is why when you change this direct speech into indirect speech, you will not change its tense. Okay, so let's see. The teacher said. At the place of inverted comma, we use conjunction that. After that, India got. Now see, got, this is a simple past tense, and you know we change simple past tense into past perfect tense, but as we know the sentence belong to historical fact, that is why we do not make any changing in the tense. So we have mentioned as it got freedom on 15 August 1947. Okay dear, let's see second example. Example 2. My father said to me, honesty is the best policy. So dear, this is a proverb. This is a proverb. Okay, so when you change this direct speech into indirect speech, the tense of the reported speech will not change. Okay, let's see. My father, again see, said to will change into told me. At the place of inverted comma, we use conjunction that, and after that see, honesty is, okay, the best policy. Okay sir, honesty is the best policy. Now see, I have not changed is into was and were. As we know, is MR change into was and were, but as we know the sentence is a proverb, and we know when the sentence is a proverb, its tense does not change. Okay, so that is why I have mentioned here as he without changing the tense. Okay dear, so I hope you have got these two cases very well. Okay, now I give you 2 minutes to note down these all points. After that we will discuss case third. Okay, so your time start now. Note down. Okay dear, so I hope you have note down case first and case second. Now let's see case third. Okay, case third. So dear, as I have mentioned here, when the tense of the reporting verb, just be careful, when the tense of the reporting verb belongs to present tense or future tense. Okay dear, when the tense of reporting verb belongs to present tense or future tense, in that case we does not change, in that case we do not change the tense of the reported speech. Okay, either clear? Okay dear, now see some example. Let's see some example. She says to me, I am not going to market. Okay dear, I am not going to market. Now you have to change into indirect speech. So just check the cases. So just see, you can see, she says to me, just see it, says. This reporting verb tells us that the given tense of the reporting verb belong to present tense. Okay dear, and I have told you, when the tense of reporting verb belong to either present tense or future tense, then we do not change the tense of reported speech. Okay dear, so when you change this direct speech into indirect speech, she says to will change into tells me, and at the place of inverted comma we use conjunction that, and after that you will change the pronoun. So I is a pronoun that is a first person, and here I have told you first person pronoun always change according to the subject of the reporting verb. Okay, so I will change according to she. So at the place of I you will mention she, and after that is not going to market. Okay dear, so I hope you have got my points very well. Okay, you can see when reported speech, when reporting verb in simple present tense, so we have not changed the tense of the reported speech. Okay, let's see one more example for you. Example number 2. Mohan will say, I have done my homework. Okay, sir. Now see the second example that I have mentioned. Now see, this part is a reporting verb and will say, okay, tells us that the given tense of the reporting verb belong to future tense. And dear, I have told you, when reporting verb belongs to present tense or future tense, we do not make any changing in the tense of reported speech. Okay dear, so when you change into indirect speech, Mohan will say, at the place of inverted comma we use conjunction that. Now see, I is the first person, so first person pronoun will change according to the subject, and subject is Mohan, so I will change according to Mohan. So at the place of I you will write he, because you can mention Mohan as the pronoun he. Okay, now see, have, we change has and have into had, but the tense in future tense, so that is why we do not change the tense. Okay, so according to he we have to use here has. Okay, done. Now see, that is the first person and it will also change according to Mohan. But now see the case, my is possessive case, so what is the possessive case of Mohan? So it will be his homework. Okay sir? Okay, so I hope you have got case third very well. Okay dear, case third. Okay, so we have three cases. We have three cases in which the tense of reported speech does not change. Case first, when the reported speech shows universal fact or scientific fact. Case second, when reported speech show historical fact or any proverb. Case third, when reporting verb, mind it, when the tense of reporting verb belongs to present tense or future tense, in that case the tense of reported speech does not change. Okay dear, so I hope you have got me very well. So if you have any problem you can message me. Till then watch the video and enjoy and make a proper note. Dear student, when you watch the video, just take a screenshot of the video and make the note. You have to mention these all points that I have mentioned. Okay, okay, so now you have mentioned case third. Okay, so I give you 2 minutes to note down case third. Okay, so note down.